They said it belonged in museums, but the helicopter that lifted troops in Vietnam is being rebuilt for the wars of the 2030s, faster, stronger, and smarter than anyone expected. Stay with me. What's happening to this 60-year-old giant might redefine how nations move their wars. In October 2025, the U.S. Army approved rapid fielding of CH-47F Block II to equip 2 combat aviation brigades under its contested logistics priority. Block II raises the maximum gross weight to 54,000 pounds, approximately 24,495 kilograms, a plus 4,000-pound margin over the prior version. Boeing's Lot 3 award, $135 million for 3 Block II airframes, underscores that this is more than talk. By May 2025, the Army had already received its 4th Block II. Under the hood, reinforced drivetrain, airflow improvements, and a simplified fuel system reduce maintenance burden. Japan ordered 17 Block II Chinooks with local final assembly. Germany locked in 60 Block II SRs in an €8 billion package. Tandem rotors cancel each other's torque, so no tail rotor is needed, letting more shaft horsepower convert to lift. The current T55GA714A engines deliver approximately 4,868 shaft horsepower. Future T55714C models aim for approximately 6,000 shaft horsepower with approximately 8% better fuel burn. The Chinook's 3 external hooks allow a single sortie to deliver to up to 3 locations, a capability single hook designs lack. Compact, approximately 30 meters length, allows operation in narrow mountain valleys, ship decks, or tight landing zones unreachable to heavier rotorcraft. In cumulative ton-mile per sortie under threat, that combination beats many bigger but less flexible designs. The CH-47G Block II is the secretive sibling built for night, stealth, range. In March 2025, Boeing was awarded $240 million to convert 5 MH-47G Block II aircraft. Earlier, Boeing had won a $115 million award for 2 additional MH-47G conversions. Upgrades include a retractable aerial refueling probe, terrain-following radar, and digital CAAS cockpit hardened for contested airspace. These aircraft routinely operate low-level at approximately 120 knots using night vision systems and aerial refuel support, letting them insert forces far beyond unrefueled reach. CH-53 K-King Stallion is cleared for 36,000-pound external lift, but its tail rotor and single-hook architecture limit efficiency. My 26. Halo claims approximately 20,000 kilograms payload and approximately 56,000 kilograms MTOW, but demands huge fuel burn, approximately 3,300 liters per hour, and complex logistics. Boeing has delivered over 1,200 Chinooks across approximately 20 nations, ensuring parts, upgrades, training, and sustainment ecosystems few new designs can match. Germany's investment and the UK's H-47ER timeline lock the Chinook into Allied doctrine for decades. It's not nostalgia that keeps the Chinook alive, it's design discipline and physics that newer machines still haven't beaten. So tell me, in a world where supply lines decide wars, would you trust the newest design on paper or the one that's still flying after 60 years of proof? If you value fact-checked military insight, like, share, and subscribe to Defense Firepower. Until next time, stay vigilant, stay locked and loaded.